Cutting down on people while you eat makes grub taste a million times better.
Okay, so... I drank my weight in alcohol last night, and now I'm blanking on everything. Did I happen to take advantage of you?
Think I'd do it with Gagzilla? I'm saving my first time for Miss Makima.
Thank God, that's a relief. My ass would be in jail for doing that with a minor, super quick. You are strange personified. Most guys would have bailed out on a situation as awkward as this one.
Why? Be stranger to leave and turn down a free breakfast.
So, you're serious about getting with Miss Makima?
Yes.
What if you learned her true character is as shitty as a septic tank?
I love shit.
Cool. Then I'll act as your matchmaker and help hook you guys up.
Yeah?
Totally. Why not? In fact, let's form a secret alliance, you and I. I'll work my wingwoman magic on you and Makima, and you help me lock down Aki.
What do you like about him anyway?
He's hot.
Well... Sure, you're on. Let's alliance up.
Glad to have you aboard, fellow matchmaker. From this point on, we're colleagues and friends, too. Come have breakfast once in a while, and bring your roommates with you.
How long do we have before we arrive in Kyoto?
30 minutes.
I'll eat at the station then.
Don't forget you have a 1 o'clock luncheon.
I'll just have to make sure I leave a little bit of room, won't I? I can't think of anything worse than meeting with the Kyoto bigwigs. They're so intimidating. Refreshments are hardly refreshing when you can't relax. But last night's drinks, those were great.
This is Team C. Do you copy? We are a go.
What was that?
Need you ask, oh idle-headed oaf? 'Twas a taiko drum.
There a festival?
Speak, harlot. Either you and Denji copulated yestereve, or you're lying.
Denji is quite the gentleman when he wants to be. No lie.
I'm amazed you can stomach this joint's ramen. The taste don't bug you.
Who's he?
This ramen's mighty tasty to me.
Don't converse with me so casually, mortal.
You can't tell good food from bad, huh? I guess it sort of figures. If your diet consists of nothing but crap from an early age, then you're bound to have crap taste when you're grown. Bad taste makes it hard. No. So the gun devil is after your heart.
Aki Hayakawa, you've put quite the abomination in my mouth this time. It's neither human nor devil.
Power. Go stop Himeno from bleeding out.
A spike?
Fire!
3.
Fire!
2.
Fire!
1.
Gotta creep his shit us out.
Curse! Finish it now!
0.
How's Himeno?
She requires a medical practitioner.
Damn it. That bastard had a gun. Oh, it'll only be possible for devil hunters and cops to obtain them in Japan.
But you should know. So the gun devil is after your heart.
First of all, we have to get Himeno to a
The
doctor.
cursed devil, huh? Stab someone with that oversized nail enough times and they die. Is that the gist of it? You've got some pretty impressive moves.
Where'd you come from? You in league with him?
Like all the...
Do you know why you lost?
I had my guard down, like all the way.
Better kill him this time, then. You know he's still alive, right? Those devil hunter suits are surprisingly durable. Don't underestimate him again.
Aki needs you. Leave me and save him.
Nay, I can't follow him. He moves too quickly.
Ghost, go.
I will not. Awful girl. I don't like her.
Aki is still capable of crying. People die so often in this field that most devil hunters don't have any tears left to shed. Not Aki, though. I remember thinking how odd he was, going off to bawl like a baby in private when the rookies he was looking after bit the dust. Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.
Hey! Little help here!
Best not die. Got that, Hockey? Because when I finally go, you can cry for me.
Snake, swallow it. Return.